Hello guys, I have 3D printed a miniature scale model of Volvo 9600 sleeper bus. In this video, I'll take you through the details of what I have done. This is the latest sleeper bus which was launched by Volvo, which is 15 meters in length. I have scaled this down to 22 size so that the length of my model is around 70 centimeters. The interior, exterior, tires and all the chassis parts are 3D printed. This is also powered with battery and also runs with mobile phone controlled remote. It has all the options for forward, backward, right, left and also lighting controls. This bus is powered with a 11.1 volt lithium battery which is readily available in the market, and here is the mobile phone interface for controlling the vehicle. We have joysticks for forward and reverse control and also for turning right and left, and the rest of the switches are for the lightings which can be switched on and off with the mobile, and the speed of the vehicle can be adjusted. If the joystick is fully pressed for 100%, we'll get the maximum speed. Same is applicable to forward and reverse directions. Now for turning the vehicle, when we turn right, the front wheel steers to the right, and also here the rear axle also steers accordingly. So we have both the axles functioning, and if we turn left, both the axles turn to the left. These are controlled with the help of small servo motors, even which are available in market too. And as we turn, the indicators also blink accordingly. Here you can see when we turn left, the left indicators blink at the front and also at the rear. I'll show it later. And you have the headlight flashing option. It's a press button. When we press it, the headlight glows. Coming to the rear, the brake light glows by default when the vehicle is switched on and when it is not moving, and when I control it for forward and backward, when I move it reverse, the reverse light glows and the brake light goes off, and again when it stops, the brake light switches on. And similarly, when I turn right, the indicators blink. Now let's see about the lightings in this bus. Here I have added around 100 LEDs in total. The headlight has 2 LEDs on each side, and as you can see, the interior, the dashboard and seats, wipers, everything are 3D printed. These are designed in 3D modeling software and printed part by part. And this is how it looks at night with all the lights switched on, the lights on the sides, and also I have added LEDs in each compartment so that it looks bright and realistic. These seats, ladders and sleepers, everything are 3D printed. There are also 2 different colors for the interior. One is blue and also yellow, which I can show you later. There is one light for the driver portion as well. These are the blue lights for the interior. And also there are blue lights on the steps, which looks like a long tube light. As you can see, in each step we have 3 such lights. I have used a sticker for the floor to give it a wood finish. These are the yellow lights for the interior, where you can see the pathway. This is how the chassis looks. It's made of aluminum frame for providing strength. And here you see the rear axles with the motor connected with propeller shafts. Both front and rear axles are connected with servos for turning. This button is used to on and off the orange LEDs in the body. Let me show it close. As you can see it glowing. Now let me show you an interesting part. This is the module which is used to control the entire functions of the bus, the forward, reverse, and also the turning servos along with the LEDs. All these can be controlled with only this module. This is what gets connected to the mobile phone when it's operating. This can operate for voltages between 7 to 14 volt. For more details, I will make a separate video on this. Follow our Instagram and YouTube channels for regular updates and videos.